in line of COVID-19 lockdown all over the world, I have made a few cooking videos. These cooking videos is using a very minimum equipment and easily available ingredient. So watch the video, try the food, keep safe and keep healthy. Okay, this is the recipe step by step how to do sweet tempeh or tempeh manis. First, what you need is tempeh itself. That's about 150 gram, and then garlic, about 30 gram. Soy sauce or sweet soy sauce. We use sweet soy sauce for this recipe, so that's need about 100 ml. A little bit of salt, and then the oil for frying. You can use vegetable oil or sunflower oil, any oil. And then kaffir lime leaves, a little bit, galangal, chili, preferably this the red chili, and then the shallot, slice very thinly, and palm sugar. Okay, first, hot oil in the tempeh. Until golden brown. You need to cook the tempeh until golden brown. Okay, the tempeh now is golden brown. We put them aside. Okay, and then we put some of the oil aside. You only need a little bit of this, about that much, about 1 dessert spoon. That should be enough. Okay, next will be shallot. Need to soften the shallot. And after that, when the shallot is already soft, add garlic. So shallot first, then garlic, because the garlic is quicker to cook. And then cook it until nice and soft, and the fragrance aroma coming out. Okay, when it's already golden brown, we put it aside. Chili. Take it off the heat so it wouldn't burn. Turn the heat off, put it back, and then chop galangal. Next, palm sugar. That's about 75 gram or 100 gram palm sugar. Turn the heat on. Wait until it's melted. Okay, when the palm sugar melted, you add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, and then a touch of water, probably about 1 dessert spoon water. There you go. Give a good stir. So they all incorporated here. Okay. Next, when it's already incorporated, and then we add a soy sauce. There you go. About 100 or 125 gram or milli of soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and then turn the heat on again. Bring it to boil. Look like and that's ready. Turn the heat off again so it won't burn. Next, tempeh. Add the tempeh. Give a good stir. So each of the tempeh will be coated with the sauce, the sweet sauce. Turn this on again. Last, we add the onion or the shallot and garlic. Give a good stir. So make sure each side of the tempeh is coated with the sauce. Okay? And that's ready now. Turn the heat off. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here, your sweet tempeh is ready. Look. Now, ready to serve. A little bit of chopped lime leaves. Give a fresh flavor. Okay. Here you are. Sweet tempeh ready to serve. Thank you.